Hello there, wonderful viewers. Thanks for choosing this video from Fixit. Join Fixit on a journey of knowledge and creativity. Today, I will show you how to get YouTube Premium. Remember to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any Fixit magic. Let's get started. First of all, you open up the YouTube application and make sure you're logged into the account on which you want to buy the premium version. Then tap on the profile icon from the top right. Now there are many benefits of buying a YouTube Premium. You can get ad-free videos, you can share it with your friends and family, you can also watch it on TV without ads, you can enable background play, and so many other benefits than a normal YouTube version that you get free. Now after you tap on the profile icon, just select the option called Get YouTube Premium, so just tap on this one. Now keep in mind that currently I'm using it from the app, but on my browser I can have many more multiple options than on my app. If I tap on the Try It for Free button over here, I only have a monthly plan. I do not have an annual planner. If you want to subscribe to an annual plan, then head over to your browser. You can do this from the app as well. If you think the monthly plan is suitable for you, such as an individual plan, your student plan, as well as your family plan. Now I'll go to my browser. If you do not find a plan you're looking for on an app, you can try looking for on your browser. So I'll just go ahead and open up Safari, and then I will go to youtube.com. Again, on Google Chrome, you have to make sure that you are logged into the correct account on which you want to subscribe to the premium version. That is a very important thing to know, otherwise you are going to get the premium in the wrong account. After you do that again, follow the same steps by tapping on the profile icon and tapping on the option called Get YouTube Premium. Now select the option called Get YouTube Premium. So I'll just go ahead and select Annual Family or anything planned over here now. Right over here you can see different types of plans that are available for you. So what I will do is just tap on the family option and I'll go try it for free. Now the 1 month is basically free because YouTube is just going to give you this offer. If you like it, you can continue using it. If you do not like it, you can remove your card details and then cancel the premium at any given time within 1 month. Then tap on the Try It for Free button. Now just tap on the Continue button. As you tap on the Continue button, a pop-up is going to come up. Just go ahead and enter your card number, your CNIC number, your cardholder name, as well as your billing address. Make sure that you've entered everything correctly. You can also go ahead and review your plan one last time if you want to, and after that, just tap on the Buy button, which is at the bottom of the screen. Now you can enjoy YouTube Premium. Did this video help you? Comment below if I fixed your problem. Hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. Your input fuels us. Comment something below you would like to see fixed.